Hello everyone. This is a short tutorial on a communications platform called Microsoft Teams that you'll begin using at the start of the school year. We will have about a half an hour during orientation to cover Microsoft Teams. So this is simply a flyover explanation of what it does and what it will help you accomplish during the school year. Shortly before the school year begins, you'll receive your student email. With that, you'll be able to log into the online Office 365 suite, access Microsoft Teams, and download the desktop and mobile versions of the program. Here I am just signing into the online Office 365 suite. Here you can see the list of applications included in the service. And near the right we have Microsoft Teams. I'm going to go ahead and click into it. To download the desktop and mobile versions of the application, go to the top right hand corner, click, and scroll down to where it says Download the Desktop or Mobile Apps. For the mobile app, you can send yourself an email, open it up on your mobile device, and download the application from there. Because I have the desktop application installed already, I'm going to close out of my web browser, and here's the desktop version. Here on the left hand side you can see the Teams tab, and these are all the teams that I am a part of. When you begin the school year, you'll be part of the Class of 2023 Academics page and the Utah Campus page. Because I'm on the MSK1 channel, and I'm currently on the Conversations tab, I can begin talking with anyone about the Musculoskeletal Systems course. Here I'm going to ask a fellow student a question about anatomy, and I'm using the @ symbol to tag Brian Dane specifically, meaning that he'll get a notification about my question. And I'm asking, can you remind me what spinal nerve levels contribute to the brachial plexus? On the Conversations tab, you can also video conference with anyone in the channel, clicking that icon at the bottom of the screen. Clicking Meet Now will mean that anyone in the channel can join that video conference call. Clicking the Files tab will open up the cloud storage for the channel. Here is a place to share resources via the Student Study Materials tab, tutor PowerPoints, and I'll share more about the Class of 2023 notebook in a second. Here's a bookmark to MediaSite, a service the school uses to store video lecture recordings. Here's another bookmark to the MyVista MSK page where you'll find your lecture PowerPoints. Here's a bookmark to the RVU Anatomy webpage where you'll find the dissectors for every single dissection lab. Here's the one for superficial back. I'll scroll through this really quickly. You'll also find the checklists for every single lab. These will be incredibly useful for making sure you know what is included on each exam practical. Here's a bookmark for the iNet Tutor Hub, where you'll be able to schedule a tutor session or access some of the topic review slides. Lastly, here's a OneNote link that we've entitled MSK Study Guide, where students can work together to crowd-resource study guides for exams. I also want to mention that we can bookmark a number of other resources. If you feel you have a resource that deserves to be bookmarked for the entire class, go ahead and ask your team owner. Microsoft Teams also has a chat tab, where you can converse with people one-on-one or in small groups. Here's our conversation history, and if I wanted to, I could message Daniel Hansen directly. Also notice that on the Files tab, you can share files directly with individual people. Clicking on the Activity tab allows you to go through your notifications in chronological format. And clicking on the Files tab allows you to add and manage the various cloud storage services that you use. In conclusion, I hope you can see how the functionality of Microsoft Teams will help you communicate effectively with fellow students, organize course content so that you don't miss out on resources, and assist in collaboration with other students, including those on the Colorado campus. Last reminder, make sure that before orientation, after you receive your RVU email, that you download and install Microsoft Teams to your laptop and any of your various mobile devices. This will help us begin the Microsoft Teams panel quickly and also ensure that you get the most out of that experience. We look forward to seeing you at orientation.